Ikiro cia mathomo mathukuru-ini ma muthingi ni ithiete na mbere na kugacira guku bururi-ini. Arutwo makihimbiria mutaratara mweru wa CBE na kuria thukuru-ini uyu arutwo mathundurite ngari ya maguru mana makihuthira cuma na waya o kuma guku bururi-ini.
Njeti twanjirie mĩeri ĩrĩ mĩthiru tugiciria ni undu wa CBC tukiuga tuthondeke ngari nigetha ciana cihote kwiruta science na technology. Ino ngari ithondeketwo itari na engine, iratumira betiri inya na ina mota. Mota niyo irathiurukia kuguru gwa thutha na ngari ikahota guthii.
The first place we saw like it is an impossible thing, but now it is a possible. And we use various local materials like the wires and any others, and we came up with this vehicle.
All materials apart from the engine or the motor were locally sourced, because it's mostly metal. The only thing that we sourced, we imported it from China was the motor. But the good thing with the engine that the engine that we imported was that it had instructions on it on how to connect. It also has a controller that controls the speed, and the controller also prevents a lot of voltage from going to the motor, which can be detrimental to the motor.
Arutwo aria mekireire meciria mao tabarira-ini ino makiuga mekite guo kurumirira ugwati uria ukuriire thi maitho wa ucenjia wa riera. Mari na kioneki athondeki a ngari ni mekuhimbiria ngari ĩtarahũthĩra maguta maria maracoka kuruta ndogo iria ni ugwati kuri maria maturigicĩirie.
Right now in the world we are combating climate change. It's a great problem, and as we have seen, electrical powered cars are the way to the future. Petrol is causing pollution and others. So this car functions by getting charged, and it has 4 batteries which each help in various functions in the car, like the movement of the car, the powering of the motor for the rear wheels, and it's a 2-wheel drive.
Arutwo aya riu makigathiriria mutaratara uyu mweru wa mathomo guku arutani makiuga giki no kianjiriria ngwaci nyingi hari uthunduri mathukuru-ini na ni mathomo marateithia arutwo aya gutambura njira cia mathomo maria mabatie guthura gutwarana na uhoti wao.
Ciana ni cirakenereire muno gukora project-ini ino na in future
Yesterday we were discussing on how we can also advance the vehicle. This is to adjust the number of seats. Right now it can accommodate only up to 3 people. That include the driver and 2 passengers. But we are thinking of how we can also advance it at the back so that we can have extra chairs at the back which can accommodate up to at least 6 persons.
And another problem is that it can run out of power, which is why we are going to introduce solar energy, solar panels, so that it can make energy by itself.
Miaka iroka arutwo acio mathondekete ngari ino ni magakorwo me professionals in future na ni magakorwo mena uhoti wa guthondeka nginya ngari ingĩ na guthondeka nginya ndege kũngĩhotekeka. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nakuru. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Robert wa Maina.